how much should you actually spend on car audio RCA cables? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, Amazon Basics 15FT RCA cable. First up, we have the Amazon Basics 2-male RCA stereo audio cable. Priced at just $8.63, this cable caught my attention because it's a bestseller and has a huge number of positive reviews, 36,000 of them to be exact. If you want crystal clear audio without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. This 15-foot cable is designed to enhance your home entertainment system with its gold-plated connectors that resist corrosion. What does that mean for you? Well, you get reliable audio quality with minimal signal loss, which is crucial when you want your music to sound just right. Plus, the color-coded connectors make it easy to hook up, even if you're not an audio expert. With a rating of 4.7 stars, it's clear that many buyers appreciate how this cable delivers a pure audio experience. Now, some people complained about the cable's length being too much for smaller setups. Here's the thing though, for most car audio systems and home setups, having a longer cable allows more flexibility in positioning your equipment, so it's not a deal breaker for those who need that extra length. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable way to improve your car's audio system. Skip this one if you only need a very short cable or prefer something more premium. Now, if you're not sold on the length of that one, the next option on my list is a more compact solution but still offers great quality. Product number 2, Amazon Basics 4FT RCA cable. Next, we have the Amazon Basics 2 RCA stereo audio cable, which is a shorter option at 4 feet and priced at $6.29. This caught my eye for its popularity and affordability. If you're looking for something compact yet effective, this is definitely worth considering. This cable also features gold-plated connectors for excellent audio quality and reliability. It's designed to enhance your sound experience, whether it's for a car stereo or a home setup. The 4-foot length is ideal for tighter spaces, and with the same 4.7-star rating, it's clear that many users appreciate its performance. Some users mentioned that the shorter length might not be suitable for larger setups. But here's the thing, if you're working with a small space or a single component setup, this length is actually perfect, making it a great value for those scenarios. This is perfect for you if you have a compact system and want reliable audio without clutter. Skip this one if you need a longer reach for your installation. Honestly, for the price, it's hard to beat. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a complete installation kit. Product number 3, Boss Audio Systems Kit 2. Now let's talk about the Boss Audio Systems Kit 2. Priced at $24.99, this isn't just a cable, it's a complete car amplifier installation wiring kit. I found it intriguing because it covers multiple bases, everything you need to set up your audio system. This kit includes a 20-foot power cable, ground cables, speaker wires, and even a high-performance RCA interconnect. Well, having these components in one package means you won't have to make multiple trips for different parts. Plus, the heavy-duty cables ensure you get a solid audio signal without interference, which is key for a quality sound experience. Now, some buyers noted that the instructions could be clearer for first-timers. Here's the thing though, if you're somewhat handy or willing to watch a few tutorials, this kit offers incredible value, especially for those looking to upgrade their entire setup. This is perfect for you if you're planning a full audio system installation and want everything included. Skip this if you prefer standalone cables or if you're not comfortable with DIY installations. For the price, it's a solid investment for car audio enthusiasts. If you want something more straightforward without the extra components, then the next product might catch your attention. Product number 4, G-RIT 15FT RCA cable. Next up is the G-RIT RCA cables, a 15-foot option priced at $16.99. This cable grabbed my attention because of its dual shielding and heavy-duty construction. If you're serious about audio quality, this one's worth a look. The G-RIT cables feature gold-plated connectors and advanced aluminum shielding, which effectively blocks interference. With 4.7 stars from over 3,200 reviews, many users love the professional audio quality it delivers. Some users did mention that the cable can be a bit stiff, making it harder to route in tight spaces. But honestly, that sturdiness is what protects the internal wiring, ensuring long-lasting use and reliable performance. So it's a trade-off I'd take. This is perfect for you if you need strong, durable cables for a high-quality audio experience. Skip this if you're looking for something very flexible for easy routing. For the price, it's a great deal for quality sound. Alright, moving on to our final product, which focuses on a more budget-friendly design. Product number 5, SNA and SHI RCA cable. Last but not least, we have the SNA and SHI RCA cables, which are 5 feet long and priced at just $6.29. This caught my eye due to its affordability and solid specs, making it a good option for budget-conscious buyers. These cables feature dual shielding and gold-plated connectors, ensuring you get a clear audio signal without unwanted noise or static. With a 4.7-star rating from nearly 1,000 reviews, users appreciate its performance for the price. Now, some reviews pointed out that the connectors might feel a bit loose on some devices. But here's the thing, if you're using them in a standard setup, they should work fine, and the sound quality is worth it. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable and budget-friendly option for your audio needs. Skip this if you're looking for something premium or with advanced features. Honestly, you can't go wrong here for the cost. So to wrap it up, we've looked at 5 solid options. The Amazon Basics 15FT and 4FT cables for budget-friendly clarity, the Boss kit for comprehensive installs, the G-RIT cable for durability, and finally, the SNA and SHI as a great budget pick. Each has its strengths, so it really comes down to your specific needs. Happy listening.